as you get set for your morning commute, things will be changing all morning long, so you're going to want to be weather aware.
And high winds could start blowing some of that lighter, fluffier snow that we got over the weekend around, and that could cause some visibility issues. Local 5's JD Snover is out in the Local 5 Storm Tracker this morning with a look at some of the current conditions. JD, how are the roads looking this morning?
Yeah, Megan, as you said, those high winds starting to blow a little bit. Can see some flags flying, but as far as actual impacts on visibility so far, haven't really seen much of that. Now, the biggest impact that we have seen was between Ames and Des Moines. We were up there, came down this way on US 69. Some snow blowing over the roadway, not high enough or anything to really cause any of that visibility issue. But right now, let's give you a live look at 235 headed westbound here at exit 6. That's 31st Street. As you mentioned a little earlier, the volume in terms of traffic volume starting to increase a little bit. Definitely the highest amount that we've seen in the last couple hours that we've been out on the roads. But roadway looking clear, everything moving at the speed limit and beyond as we head deeper into the morning commute here. Now, we will continue to track this impact as the morning goes on and have more for you as things change.